the windup. The pitch. It's a high cutter.
Strike one.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I've seen roadkill with faster reflexes. The catcher lays down the signals. Here's the pitch. Curveball low and outside. He swings!
Steve Ragtail! No! I said don't swing! No. Batter up!
That's 2 in the hole. One more strike gets a punch out, folks, and we're all going home.
Today is a new day.
Take away my squeaky toy. It's a hit!
A hit? A hit?
But wait, the batter is still unbelievably at home plate. He's standing in a daze. Run, kid, run!
Go, son! Run! Run! Run!
There he goes, headed the wrong way. Wait!
No, not that way! Run the other way! Turn around!
Wait! He's turned. I've never said these words before, but he's actually rounding home plate. Right behind him, 2 singles, he steps on home, and
Chase me back!
we have a tie game. Meanwhile, they're scrambling in the alley. Looks like Rodriguez has it. No, it's the center fielder. Mayhem in the outfield, ladies and gentlemen, as Rodriguez is fired to second. Catch is complete, but where's the ball? Little touches the bag and keeps going. It's a hunt for the rock. The fielders are having a little trouble. Some kind of commotion out there.
Oh, it's stuck! It's stuck! Tip the cow! Tip the cow!
Oh, it's the old tip the cow play. As the kid heads for the hot corner, looks like a stand-up triple.
Yes!
Hold up! No! Incredible! He's still going for the whole enchilada. The entire ball of wax. The kid and caboodle.
The bet! You're never gonna make it!
The kid's got gumption. He's trying to lighten his load with the entire outfield right behind him. Little's on all cylinders now. He slides to the dish. Here comes the center fielder. It's going to be a mobilization home!
You're out!
Oh, folks. Folks, what a heartbreaker. Wait, a cotton-picking second. Hold your horses here, and horses, hold your breath. This might not be over. He's
Safe! The runner is safe!
For the first time in 20 years. We won the pennant! Mothers, kiss your babies. You witnessed a miracle! Remember where you were at this moment. The smells, the sounds. There's a new winner in town, and his name is Chickenhare.
That's the lucky hit!
Yes, Chickenhare, it's all yours. The victory, the triumph, the glory. And of course, getting down to the sticky gooey sport drink that soaks into your undies and chase for hours. This is one memory you'll savor forever.